kitchen smells, pet smells. Sometimes it's hard to get rid of odors in the home, but look at this beautiful wood grain oil diffuser. And check it out, the light changes color. Really nice. You can pick different wood grains, and it comes with the whole set of the oils, all the scents, lavender, peppermint, rosemary. It comes with the card. So lavender and peppermint can relieve headaches. Orange and eucalyptus can help you sleep. It even has a remote. So not only is it a wonderful aromatherapy, it'll give your home a nice scent, and it's the best gift for Christmas. Get one for everyone on your list. Click below.